Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, we are going to learn how to handle exceptions in Python. Let's start by looking at the try block. On line 3, I'm accepting the first number as input from the user. On line 5, I'm accepting the second number. Next, I'm using the raise keyword to raise an exception if num2 is equal to 7. On line 8, I'm printing the result of dividing num1 by num2. On line 9, I'm using the except keyword to catch the zero division error if num2 is equal to 0. Let's test this out by inputting the second number as 0. The reason you see goodbye in the output is because I have a finally block where I'm printing goodbye, which gets executed every time, irrespective of whether there was an exception or not. On line 11, I'm catching value error in case the number provided is not a numerical value. On line 13, I'm catching keyboard interrupt in case the execution of the program is interrupted by user by pressing the stop button or say by passing Ctrl+C on command line. Line 15, I'm catching all the exceptions that were not caught by the above except blocks. If we go back to line 7, you'll see that I'm using the raise keyword to raise an exception if num2 is equal to 7. Let's see what happens when I input 7 as the second number. Looks like we caught the type error exception in this generic exception block. Note the exception block catches all the subclasses of the exception class. If you look at the UML diagram of the zero division error class, you'll see that it inherits from the exception class. Similarly, value error is also a subclass of the exception class. However, if you look at the UML diagram of keyboard interrupt, you'll notice that it inherits from the base exception class and not the exception class. That's because keyboard interrupt is a system level exception. Therefore, to catch all the system level exceptions in addition to regular exceptions, you have to define an except base exception block. Here I commented out except keyboard interrupt block to see if except base exception block catches it. Finally, if we rerun the program and no exception is found, then the else block will also get executed. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.